What'd you make?
I added this.
Show me.
Look.
Tell me about it.
It's all about this. See?
Uh-huh.
And it's all about this engine.
It's all about this engine?
Yeah, it's all about this engine if you put this on here.
What kind of engine is it?
It's a Thomas engine to put different things on it.
It's a Thomas engine?
Yeah, it's a Thomas engine and it pulls cars.
Ooh, you did a great job. What kind of cars does it pull?
It pulls all the different cars.
Wow.
And they pull different cars that are all the same tracks.
On the tracks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
These tank engine is small.
Do you like trains?
Yeah, I like trains too.
Okay. You did a great job.
Mama, I'll get this on this day.
Okay.
I'll put these. I'll get these for the engine smokes and something's missing on this part. No,
Put a few blocks on the other side and it won't fall over.
I'll put this block on this engine.
Okay.
Then in this engine, kind of like green ones.
Yeah.
Kind of like a steam engine. Steam. Mama, it's a steam engine.
Oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Well, good job, buddy.